Hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this foil shaver from TPOB. So, I bought it from Amazon US. And I'm gonna show you how to buy in case if maybe you live outside US, but your country got Amazon. You want to change your country Amazon to US Amazon so you can buy things. I'm gonna show it to you right here. Okay, this is my Amazon page, and as you can see, there's Amazon DE, which means it's a Germany Amazon. So if you want to change it, you need to press this thing here. Then at this place, you need to scroll to the last place. See the flag of Germany? You need to press on that. Then if you are new, then you need to press here. Then scroll. So depends on where you want to go. So since you want to go to the Amazon US, then you press the one of US. If you want to change the money, you can change it here. So press done. So now it's changed. I want to change it again. It's here. So Germany. And now it's on US dollar, so you can change it. So euros, change. Now it's already on Amazon Germany. That's it. So this is what I bought from Amazon. It was on offer, so I quickly bought it before the offers expired. So I don't have this one. That's why I bought it. So and the specs. It's a foil shaver, double foil shaver. I got the single foil shaver. Charging time 90 minutes. Operating time more than 60 minutes. And I guess got 5 watts. Yeah. Oh, not really rating on the body. So and this is it. Okay. Inside you got a cleaning brush, USB Type-C cable. You got a manual. So I haven't charged it or something like that. I just received it today. I saw some Pete the barber, he got it. And I said I have to buy 2, you know. See that? And the rubber, it's really good. It's a matte finish. And it's not slippery or something like that. Okay. We got this little protection here. Okay, take it off. So as you can see, it's a USB Type-C, which is good. And to open, see that? So okay, some check. Okay, got also 2 speed. The first speed and the second speed. And thank God it doesn't have this little trimmer here. I don't really like it. So now the 4 speed. 7,000 RPM, 8,720 RPM. In case you want to buy from TPOB website and save you some money, you can easily use my discount code ADO15 and save you some money. Alright, so peace, man.